Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find games on the Google Play Store in the NOKIA G22. To do this, first thing is to open a Google Play Store. Now let's try to find the games and let's go for Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no game that we're looking for, and now to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, enter family, go for parental controls. Here you can disable them entirely or enter apps and games. Increase PG to 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you try to find Call of Duty or basically any game that this phone supports, it should be right here on the top and you can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.